Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys, where I share strategies to find bonuses and singles for various lotteries. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. This is again a delayed video. I should have made it yesterday, but anyways, let's get to it, guys. Today we're looking at Mega Millions. Guys, the strategies that I use here. That's why when I share something, I want to show you an example first, because I'm just gonna sound crazy. I shared with my group 16, and also I also shared 8 and other numbers, but 9 I had 9, but I just don't like sharing a lot of numbers. So I picked 8 instead. I shared 8, not 9. The reason I shared 8 is because of okay, this is going to sound crazy. The reason I shared 8 is because of, you see this 28 here, played on the 21st, this 28 played on the 21st, so the next draw after the 21st was on the 25th, and then the following draw was on the 28th. You see this 4 right here. The next draw after the 25th will be on the 28th, and then next draw will be on the 4th. So it looked like a pattern to me. So since the next draw was on the 28th, I had to count down on the second next draw, meaning that the next draw will be on the 4th, and then I have to play the draw after the date of the draw after that, which is the 8th. So I chose to go with 8 instead of 9, but yeah, I was wrong, guys. But I'm sure you can see the pattern I was following. But I do regret now not sharing the 9. Okay, guys, let's find the 16th first. Okay, first of all, let me show you here, guys, before I sound crazy. Yeah. Most the jackpot, the jackpot, they tell us the jackpot, before the actual draw, so you see here, they play 65, If you notice on the jackpot, the first number, there's 3 numbers. The first number and the last number is 6 and 5. They played 65, So on the next draw, the first number and the last number is 7 and 0, 7 and 0 is 70, but they played 69, so they said 70 minus 1, Okay, let's go to the next spot. Okay, let's come here. See here, they played 19, and also on the jackpot for that draw was $129 million, The first number and the last number is 1 and 9, which makes 19. They played 19. On the next draw, the jackpot was 145, and the first number and the last number, the third number, makes 15. It's 1 and 5, so it makes 15. So if you add 15, if you add 1 to 15, you get 61. You see on the previous one, it was 70, and then they said minus 1, and they played 69. So over here, they said 15 plus 1, which is 16, which is 61. They played 61. Okay, so um I noticed here they did the same thing. They took the first number and the last number of the jackpot, and then they played 11 here. So I thought, okay, let me test this strategy I'm seeing here. In the next draw, the jackpot had the first number was 1 and the last number was 7, so that makes 17. So I played 18 and 16. Yeah, that's how I got the 16, guys. Okay, let's go to the 9. Okay, thing is with the 9, I don't remember where I saw the strategy, so I can't show you, but you are more than welcome to go and look for it yourself. Okay, if you see this 58 over here, 58 minus the date here, which is 25, gives you 33. So on that day they played 32, so they said 33 minus 1 equals 32. You can go to a spot that does this, and then you will see how I got the 9. So I noticed that when they do that on the next day, they also subtract the date to the number, and then they play the number as it is. That's how I got the 9, because 37 minus 28 gives you 9. That's how I got the 9, guys. But for Tuesday, this is what I'm seeing. The jackpot, the first number and the second number is 1 and 9. Then they played 19 here. So your job is to go and look for a spot where they take the first and the second number and play them as one number. Yeah, then you will see what happens after that. What do they do after that? That's what I'm going to do. I'm just trying to look very quickly. Because in order for you to be able to predict for the next row, you have to know what happens after. You have to go look for something similar, or two places that do a similar thing, and then you know what to do. So the main thing here is that every number that you see here, like the date, the number of the month, the year, the jackpot. Now I'm gonna start looking at the mega multipliers, those 4s and 2s, and maybe they have something to do with predicting the numbers also. I don't know. That's what I'm noticing here. Yeah, here is the first example. You see the first two numbers, they played them as a number. Look at this. Okay, in the previous one they didn't do it. Look at the next row. The first two numbers are 3 and 5. If you are like, you won't notice this if you, it's 3 and 5, 3 and 5. So we're looking at this draw to find something similar to 3 and 5. And what I am seeing here instantly is, I'm so sorry about the noise, guys. Is that if you flip 3 and 5, it makes 53. If you add 1 to 53, you see, you get 54. So I am not gonna just end there, guys. I need to be sure. I'm not gonna just end it there. I need another spot, so that I know exactly what to do. You see, look at this other spot here. See, 48. They played 48. Let's look at the next draw. But what's confusing me about this draw, you see the draw before that, it's 45, and they played 54. 45 is 54. So I don't think I'll take it to the next draw because it has already happened twice, but I'm not gonna end it there. I'm gonna keep looking, guys, so that I can be 100% sure on what to do for the next draw. Also here it's 12, the first two numbers, and they played 12. So on the previous jackpot it's 97. Yeah, so let's go to the next one, which is over here. So it's 14. When we look here, even if we say 41, there's no 42, there's no 24, there's no like 4. So you see how inconsistent it is, but I don't know, guys. I don't know. That's it from me.